In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a user to groups in Google Workspace. This straightforward process will take you only about 5 minutes, and by the end you'll be well equipped to manage your team's access and facilitate better collaboration within your organization. Let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to Google Workspace. If you're not already familiar with it, Google Workspace is the integrated suite of Google Cloud apps that businesses use to enhance productivity and collaboration. Once you're there, the next step is to click on the Admin Console. Think of the Admin Console as the control center for managing your organization's Google services and settings. You'll need to log in using your business email address, so have your credentials handy. Once you've logged in, look to the top right of the page where you'll see the Google Apps menu. This menu is where you can access all the different applications and services available to you. Click on it and you should see an array of icons. You're looking for the admin icon. This icon is crucial as it directly takes you to the administrative settings. After selecting the admin icon, you'll want to focus on finding the directory option. You can find this by clicking on the link provided within the menu, which will bring you to a page displaying various options related to managing your domain. Within the directory, locate the Groups section. This is where you'll have the flexibility to manage all existing groups in your Google Workspace. Now that you're in the Groups section, let's move on to adding a new member. Find and click on the Add Member button. It's typically located toward the right side of your screen, offering simplicity and ease of access. With this, you'll now be prompted to type in the user's information. This step requires careful attention. Ensure you enter their business email correctly to prevent any confusion or access issues later on. Once the user's email is entered, the last step is clicking on Add to Group. With a simple click, the user is now successfully added to the specified group within your Google Workspace. They'll have access to all resources and collaboration tools shared with the group, enhancing their involvement in team activities and projects. And there you have it, you've successfully added a user to your group within Google Workspace, streamlining your team's collaborative efforts. As you familiarize yourself with this process, managing team dynamics and roles becomes even more efficient. Thanks for joining us today, and until next time, happy collaborating.